Welcome to TestWord Teachers Tea Room. Here, you will learn useful tips on how to teach with TestWord textbook to achieve the learning objectives in the curriculum. Join us for today's session on Book Review, Combined Social Studies for Basic 5 and 6.
It's another day. Today, we are going to take a look at Combined Social Studies for Basic 5 and 6. We have done something about Basic 1, 2, Basic 2, and Basic 3, 4. Today is 5 and 6. Combined. The publishers talked about it so well before coming up with that name, combined. Why is it a combined subject? It's because it has three components. The real name is National Value Education. National Value Education. And this publisher, TestWord publisher, thought about it and said that it shouldn't be just like that. There has to be a kind of professional touch, expertise, and they brought together experts in social studies, experts in civic education, and security education. It used to be, there used to be a slogan that social studies are jack of all trade, master of none. In this instance, the publisher has thought about it so well and came up with something better in social studies. So it is a combined social studies because it has three components: civic education, security education, and the three of them, they are interrelated. We have always seen it that way. And the presentation here has alluded to that to the extent that if a parent wins, you can help your child. If teacher goes through it, you will help the learner. If learners themselves, they go through the book, they learn fast. It is a masterpiece because the author, the publisher, they are experts. Now, we are talking about primary 5, primary 6. There are characteristics that the teachers or the writers would have established that, this set of students, this set of pupils, they have the following characteristics. If they should have that character, all of the characteristics, it means the writing of the book should be tailored towards achieving the real goal. And what is the real goal? Learning. Very good learning experience. So, some scholars, they came together to tell us something about characteristics of pupils of ages 9 to 12. Leaders in their own learning. That's one of them. That they are always leaders. In their own learning. They want to be in charge at all times. And they engage in the world around them. Again, they question everything. They question everything. They think for themselves.
driven by their interest. They are determined to succeed. Inner motivation and self-discipline. Abam. Those are their characteristics. So writing this book, they've considered all of this. And they came up with this. Let us now look at the content of this book. We said earlier on about social studies, that it is the study of man and its environment, the social environment and physical environment. In this social environment, we have about 7 institutions. We have family. Under this family, we have marriage institution. In this book, reading through, every parent, whoever, every learner must be able to at least identify all that have to do with marriage, family. We talk of family institution, under which we have marriage institution. We have a lot of other institutions, about 7 of them, like economic institution, political institution, legal institution. We have a lot of them, educational institution and religion institution, as well as health institution. If you look through this book, you will find element of each of these institutions. Why? There are 3 reasons for that. Because the national curriculum has actually delineated it, put everything in segment, to the extent that if you learn part in primary 4, as we said the other time, you will learn part in primary 5 and another part in basic 6. This review today, we complete all the review about basic level. In the book again, we have culture. Culture is still under social institution. How can we influence culture? How culture can influence us? How foreign culture can help? What are the determinants? What are the agents? All of those have been treated in this textbook.
If you have enjoyed the session, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel at Teachers Tea Room. Thanks for watching.